Today we're going to be doing a plan with me for the week of September 25th through October 1st. So this is my first October spread. Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattooed Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. There's so many fun kits coming up this month. I am just loving what I have on the schedule and fun things happening this week with makselife, so I'm excited to share that with you as well. So we need to get this week set up. So if you've never seen one of my Plan As I Go plan with me, is the way that I do mine is that I go ahead and set up the week on Sunday or Monday, depending on how crazy the weekend is, but it is Sunday. And then I'll check in with you as many days as I can during the week to give you real life updates. This week I'm using a kit from Letters to Apollo. I've been holding on to this one for several months now, but I thought it would be a really fun, like pretty fall spread. It's got like some fall colors in it, and I really like the foiling on it, and it's got like the butterflies, but I don't know. I feel like we can make this into a fall kit. I think it'll be really beautiful. And I've seen the monarchs like migrating this week, so I think it seems kind of fitting. We're just going to make this into a fall kit. There are no date covers with this kit, but there are these little stickers, and we've got lots of boxes to work with. We've got some fun deco, pretty like watercolor elements throughout this, and then this bottom washi is so beautiful. I just love that. And I'm going to be using this greenish gray marker. All right, let's get this week set up. I'm going to begin with the bottom washi. This strip came up fine, but this other one, I had kind of a tough time getting it up off of the sheet. I kind of discovered later that the kit was cut a little bit too much, like too deep on the paper. So there was stuff on this page that I wasn't really able to use, and I really struggled with getting this second strip like maneuvered into its spot, but we made it work. And then I'm just trimming off the excess so that it is out of the way. And then I'm going to the, well, not date covers, the just days of the week up there. And then I'm going to grab some gold numbers to go with them. I think you could probably just leave the days of the week up there, but I like to have the numbers just so I know what I'm talking about. And I ripped one, obviously, as usual. And then I just kind of like put them in their spot. They're all like a little bit to the right. I kind of did that with the first one and the second one, and then I just kind of like went with it. But then some of them are in the middle, so whatever, it's fine. My day covers are never straight, they're never perfect, they're always messy, and that is fine. Okay, we're grabbing some full boxes now. I'm just putting in some in my normal spots. I love the one, like the little quote box up in the top right. It's so pretty. And then all of these little like mushrooms and butterflies, I just think they're beautiful. So pretty. And then the bow one is really gorgeous. I just really love this. And then I'm grabbing a bunch of deco. Luckily it's very small, which is my preference. And then I'm putting that across the top where I don't have anything to fill in, because traditional glitter headers don't really work up there because the column widths are a little bit wider and there's no space between them. So I just kind of go with it. And then I'm covering up the bottom two habits. I patched two stickers together, or two parts of a sticker, and then I'm just trimming off what I don't need. So it looks messy here, but like now it's fine, thankfully. And then just adding a little bit of deco there. I don't like snails. I think they're gross, but it looks cute in this spread. And then I'm just adding in my dots, or my hearts, for my daily gratitude, and then my dots. This color does not really match looking at it now, but it's too late. It is what it is. I think once the whole spread is done, you can't really tell, but yeah, that marker definitely does not match very well. Okay, so Monday it was when my makselife review was going up. Everyone's was. And that was a really fun day to just like in anticipation of all of that. I'm putting in my habits right here. same habits I've been tracking. And then I'm putting in some to-dos for the week. So I knew I needed to get quite a bit done on the weekend. I had a goals video to do, along with a couple of plan with me's. I'm just flipping back and forth and back and forth. And then also on Monday was the first day of our wellness challenge at work. I didn't work out that day, but it's a good trend we're gonna set forth. It is Tuesday. I went and picked up my pictures. I got the plan with me all edited except for the very last clip, so we're going to do that today, get that updated and uploaded. Also need to dust, and I'm going to finish up some dishes, get those put away. And there's a few comments I haven't gotten to from yesterday's video, so I need to do that as well. And I want to mark on Thursday that the makselife launch is happening. I've got this page, and I haven't even used barely anything off here. Let's use this one and this little clock. Okay, I'm going to add one more bullet here because I'll know I'll probably need it, and then we'll put this right underneath. Okay, that doesn't look very good, but we're going to... I don't know what else to do with it because I can't write on the coil. I should have written before I put it down, but I did not. Okay. I hate that. Whatever. Okay, habits. Meds. Water, I'm still working on. Still working on all of that. Okay. I need to get to work on this stuff, and I feel like I want to work out today, but I think it's going to be like raining outside in a little bit. I mean, it looks like it's going to be. And I was going to go for a walk today, so I think I might do something inside. I don't know. I'm going to decide closer to 7. So let's put in a box for that. Let me find something to put in there. I don't get to use my gold foil that often, so we're going to go for it. These are so old, I'm not even going to tell you where they're from because I'm very sure they're not available anymore. Okay, that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow. All right, it is Saturday. Yesterday, I got home after going to Lowe's and just kind of chilled a little bit. I watched some TV that I hadn't had a chance to watch all week and just relaxed. And then this morning, I didn't sleep in, but I had a slow morning. Like, I enjoyed my coffee and I enjoyed my breakfast, and I just chilled with the cats and just cuddled for a little bit, and that was really nice. But now we need to get some stuff done. This is my first weekend since school started. So this is the 7th week of school, and this is the first weekend that I didn't have anything going on, which is really nice actually, because October is going to be pretty much jam-packed. Yeah, we've got a lot going on. Next weekend, my sister is coming, and then I'm going to my alma mater's homecoming game, which is going to be really fun. And then I've got a play that I'm going to with my sister. So, and then it's like Halloween. So like this month, October, is going to be wild. So I need to make the most of this weekend. So I've already got the linens washed, and I'm working on laundry right now. I've got my nails done, and I'm going to be working on these goal videos here, but I'm going to add a few more dots here. Okay. I need to work on my kitchen, just kind of clean it up a little bit. I just noticed some stuff this morning that needs to be done. I'd like to work on my yard today, but the wind is like, I don't know. I'm going to write it down, but I don't know if it's going to happen today. But I would also like to go for a walk, which would be nice. It's cool this weekend. Next week's going to be in the 70s, which is amazing. I'm so ready for it. So we'll put that in just a little bit. I don't really need to put in reflection or goal work here because I'm going to be doing it here in just a minute. So I don't feel like I need to put that in. But I'm going to leave that bullet open so that I can add something. Habits, I don't really have anything to add besides that right now. But get there. Hopefully we'll get back on track with flossing. I don't know. I've just been either forgetting to do it or just like being too lazy. So we got a bit back on the wagon with that. I think that I want to add in a full box here. These full boxes are so pretty. Yeah, this definitely has like a spring vibe, but it also like the muted colors. I feel like they're fallish. I don't know if I want to use this one or this one. I kind of like the little bird's nest. That's cute. we're making it fallish, as I mentioned when we were setting up this spread. You know what? I'm going to put in a fun story here because at lunch yesterday, we laughed so hard. I laughed for the entire lunch period because my friend Holly told us this funny story about my principal. And so now we have an inside joke. It's just, he's awkward sometimes, and like he did something awkward, and like my friend Kat and I could not stop laughing. I had tears coming down my face. I was laughing so hard. So the story is basically that, well, I'm finding a sticker for this. She had her evaluation, and then he was about to leave, and he gave her what we have dubbed now a thumb kiss, where you like put your thumbs together and then like your thumbs touch. It's so weird, and she didn't know that that was coming, and and then he just left. It's just so weird. Okay, we have to use this one, I think. The little crying, laughing face from Coffee Monsters Co. I'm gonna put this like right there, and then I'm gonna write about it real quick. I think that's it for now. I'm gonna go get to work on goals, and I'll see you tomorrow to finish things up. Okay, it is Sunday, and we need to finish up this spread. I have not ordered pictures yet, so we're gonna do that. Like I'll come back with another clip to add in the pictures, but I saw right here that we could add in a full box. So pretty. Okay, and then over here on Sunday, a couple of things. I need to do my kitchen, try to water the yard, but it is just so windy outside. I just don't know if that is going to happen, but we're going to try. And I'm trying to chug down my water today. I have a headache, and I think it's because of the weather and the wind and everything, but I already had some coffee. I might need some more, but we need to finish up a couple things from Saturday. I also need to do, like, wash my hair, YouTube prep. I also need to take some photos of my, photos of my goal stuff, because I got that video up and ready yesterday. And let's add a few more dots. Fold and put away my laundry. I meant to do that yesterday and just got busy. I may need to add something, but I'm not sure what that is. I did talk to my mom yesterday, and we finalized some plans for this weekend. I am going to go and drive down to Midland to drop my sister back off, and I'll just stay the night and hang out with my fam for the weekend, or for the day, and then come back on Monday. I already took Monday off of the next week, this week. So I think that'll work out. Usually we have like Indigenous Peoples Day that weekend off, but this year we have the next Monday off, which is weird. I don't know how that happened. Okay, so I've got a little bit of space here, maybe for a picture or something. And then let's put in my favorite moment of the week, which was probably this moment here where we laughed so hard. Like, oh my gosh, it was really funny. So I need to finish up habits, and then I need to put some pictures in, which I know I have some from this week. I just can't remember like what they were. And another big thank you if you used my affiliate link this week to order with makselife, or if you just continue, you know, if you use it like the week this video goes up or whatever, like thank you so much. You're helping me out a lot, and I just appreciate it. So I'll be back in a second so that we can add in some pictures and finish up this spread. Okay, let's finish up this spread. So first of all, I need to mark off these guys. And then I have some pictures to include this week. I don't really have any of like myself like I normally do, but I have some makselife pictures that I want to include. I did my October goals. I also have this picture, which is really pretty, of the planners. Here's like probably more of what I want to do here. Maybe that, I don't know. And I really like this one, not falling for what doesn't serve me. And then I actually took this picture like the next week, but I think it's really pretty. This sunflower, we went to a pumpkin farm, and they have a whole field of sunflowers that are so beautiful. Okay, I think this will work. Ooh, okay, let me get these down, and then we'll decide what else I want to add. Okay, let's see what I have left from the kit and see what we can add. I don't know. Let's see. I can put the little hair dryer next to my hair there. I can put this one here for the kitchen. And then, let's see, we've got these little dots or little accents we could use and some deco left that could probably fit in a couple different places. And then we have these little dots that I definitely could use just to fill some space. Do you remember way back, if you've been in the planner community a while, dang it, I don't know what it is about this kit. I think it was maybe cut wrong or something, but do you remember way back when kits would have dots so you could fill in like different spaces? I thought it was really cute. I really like that. We should bring that back. It just kind of made the spread like all cohesive. I'm not going to be able to get this up. Oh my gosh. Like, I hate that. Like, I want to use stuff, but it's just not going to happen. Yeah. I think it was just cut too deep. I don't know. I feel like this dot is now out of place up here since I can't put any more up there. I think they're really for like checklists or whatever, but I don't care. Okay, that's it for this plan with me. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload. And I'll see you next time. Bye.